Hello, my name is Mike from the Automotive Approach. Today we're going to be taking you through a quick video tour of our Vauxhall Corsa VXR. So this is our 64 plate Vauxhall Corsa VXR. It's covered just over 79,000 miles from new. Has got 3 former keepers. It's got good service history. And whilst in our care, we've had the gearbox refurbished. It's quite a common problem on these, so that's all been taken care of. We've put a new clutch in, done the cam belt and water pump, changed the spark plugs and coil packs. We've refurbished the alloys in dark anthracite grey, properly powder coated, so a really nice job done on them. We've also given it a fresh MOT with no advisories and a full 102-point independent mechanical inspection. And overall, it is a really, really good looking car. It's an Arden blue, couple little stone chips here and there, but nothing I'm really going to worry about. Inside, you've got these awesome Recaro bucket seats. You've got AM, FM radio, touchscreen satellite navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, steering wheel controls. And as you can see, it's all in really nice condition in here. Complimentary back seats, not much room in the back. But if I'm honest, you don't really buy one of these cars for practicality. Reasonable boot space in a smaller hatchback like this. But as I say, you don't buy one of these to lug stuff about and to be practical. You buy one of these to have fun. And it is really, really good fun to drive. The 1.6 turbo petrol engine, it's always going to put a smile on your face. It's got loads of power, loads of character as well. Firm sport suspension, it's going to keep you on the road. And overall, it really does look good. Ever such a tiny motor, with all the common problems sorted, ready to go to its new owner. If you like this sort of motors, why not check out our website? We've got all of our stock on there. If you have any more questions or queries, please get in touch.